In this video, I'll show you how to add a service to your Square catalog. First, sign in to your Square dashboard and open Items and Orders. Then select Items or Item Library to manage the products and services in your catalog. Next, click Create Item and choose the option to add a service or item. Enter the service name, then add a description if you want customers to have more information about what the service includes. After that, enter the service price and choose the appropriate category. If you're using Square Appointments, make sure the service has the correct duration and is available for the team members who provide it. Now, review the service settings and choose where you want the service to be available, such as your Square POS, online store, or booking system. Save the service when everything looks correct. Next, open your catalog and confirm that the new service appears. If you're using Square Appointments, check your booking page to make sure customers can select the service when scheduling an appointment. Finally, test the service from the customer-facing experience to make sure the name, price, availability, and other details are correct. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a service to your Square catalog. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.